You're attacking him again? You can't do that. Let's just go. Come on. Your punch didn't hurt him earlier, remember? Besides, both your arms are busted up. It's going to be fine. One for all. 100%. I'm coming for you. Detroit Smash! Ah! Ah! What's wrong? That was even weaker than before! Okay! This will all be okay! I will not let him get past me! Goda, run! Yeah! Go now! Still looking after him! Oh man, you're something else, aren't you? Shut up! Damn it! Why? Show me your blood!
A real hero will always find a way for justice to be served!
Please forgive me, Mom. I tried my best. I'm sorry, All Might. I'm gonna crush you!
What the? Is that water?
Stop! Let him go! Go. Hold on there, Kay. I'll kill you after I'm done with... What? Crap, I was distracted. I won't let you hurt Coda! Damn it! How are you getting stronger? You won't lay a hand on him! One for all? 1,000,000%! Delaware! Detroit! Smash! Why? Coda, your mom and dad, the water hose heroes. It's true that they ended up leaving you behind in this world, but they saved so many lives through their sacrifices, you'll see that someday. Why did you risk your life? You'll meet someone, and then you'll understand why we do this. Even though you didn't know me at all. Why did you try to save me? Someone who will risk their life. Someone who will be... a hero. My hero.